Industrial companies realize the important role they play in order to reduce overall climate CO2 emissions. When you look at the industry itself, it's responsible for generating 38 gigatons of CO2 a year. And there is drive both by governments and by social and investor activism for companies to be more sustainable in the products that they offer and the services that they offer. And that is driving a lot of behavior in companies today. Babcock & Wilcox is committed to working with them in order to help solve those problems. And we ourselves are developing technologies and platforms to address the very issues they are to help them reach their sustainability goals. B&W's host of technologies is designed specifically to help give industry a multitude of opportunities in which to deal with their CO2 emissions. Industries are hard to abate CO2 sites because you cannot eliminate CO2 from the processes simply by electrification. You need different technologies that are able to answer different needs. The ClimateBright of technologies, which is part of Babcock & Wilcox Clean Energy Platform, delivers sustainable and thoroughly technically vetted solutions from these emission sources to help them achieve their goals. And we do this with a number of different tools in our toolkit. And it can be point source emissions that we capture. It can be by hydrogen generation. It can be any one of our renewable products and technologies that are geared towards satisfying their needs in order to solve their CO2 emission problem. This is a fascinating decade for technology being advanced to create solutions for industries and the challenges that they face. Many breakthrough technologies are being developed, such as Babcock & Wilcox's chemical looping process called Bright Loop, which allows us to be able to take gas or solid fuels and turn them into a pure stream of hydrogen and CO2. As an example, the technologies that are being developed, and I expect throughout this decade that we'll continue to develop more and more technologies to assist in this way. Babcock & Wilcox has utilized its connections through universities, institutions, as well as our R&D research in order to continue to develop more solutions that'll be more economic and more applicable to different processes within manufacturing facilities. And it is our commitment to help these industries reach their goals.